How to apply for a business loan online with Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're looking to grow your business, well here is how to apply for a business loan online with Regions Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here you can simply log in with a credential and once logged in from the home page, you simply have to navigate to the loans and credit and select business loan. And there you can simply click on apply now and fill out your business information including legal name, type and tax ID. And with that, you need to provide financial details like revenue, expenses, and existing debts to help regions access your loan. And once you're done with it, you simply have to review available loan options, interest rates, and repayment terms before submitting your application. And after that, you can simply click Submit Application, and a Regions Bank representative may contact you for additional information or documentation. And with that, just a pro tip is that you should have your financial statements and tax documents ready to speed up the approval process. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.